This is the legacy format for 3ds Max. Because it is so old, almost every 3D viewer on Earth can open it, including the standard Windows 3D viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for 3DS problems. See below for my top choice. The 3DS file extension is a legacy file format used by Autodesk's 3ds Max. It stores 3D models, scene data, and basic object information. While largely superseded by newer formats like .max, it remains a common interchange format due to its simplicity and widespread support across various 3D applications and viewers. The 3DS format is a binary file format that stores mesh data, material properties, and basic scene hierarchy. It has limitations in terms of supporting advanced features like animation rigs or complex shaders. The format is designed for relatively simple geometric representations and is often used for exporting models for real-time rendering. You will typically find Autodesk 3ds Max developed by Autodesk associated with 3.ds. The file's loose formatting rules mean Windows cannot validate its structure. Windows can't interpret their full geometry, so thorough review must be done in dedicated 3D software. Time to test installed programs. Right-click the 3.ds file and hit Open With. Launch it using Autodesk 3ds Max if possible. If that option is absent, choose any other application from the displayed list. If you still cannot open your 3ds file, that is okay. Your system failed to open the 3ds file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, use 3D modeling software. Open the file using a 3D modeling application like Autodesk 3ds Max, Blender, or SketchUp, with the necessary importer plugin. Next, check for corruption. If the file fails to import, try re-downloading it or ask the sender to export it again, as the file may be corrupt. Finally, convert to OBJ-FBX. Use a 3D modeling application to convert the 3ds file to a universal format like .obj or FBX. Since thousands of developers share extension names, your 3ds file may belong to a different program than the ones currently on your PC. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. FileMagick provides genuine peace of mind. Its incredible feature is the instant, reliable viewing of 3ds file content, regardless of whether the file extension is present or correct. Visit FileMagick.com to download. I've used this exact fix countless times. If you found this useful, please share it on social media and ensure you subscribe for more.